Hi there, it's Tak here, co-founder of TernX, and I'd like to show you how to transform the carry-on luggage into a stroller in seconds. Step 1. Press the grey buttons on both sides of the luggage and guide it down into an A-frame. Step 2. Extend the handlebar by pressing the grey button on the underside, this one right here, all the way up. And step 3. Flip the seat open by pressing the grey lever on the backrest, this one right here, and flip the seat all the way up until you hear a click. And also, please ensure that the bottom of the seat is clicked into place before putting your child on. And if you want to use the sun canopy, simply take it out of the luggage compartment and clip it onto the B frame, which is this frame right here. And you know it's attached when you hear a click. Plus, the canopy is also extendable. And voila! So there you go. That's how you transform your luggage into a stroller in seconds.